how to add up to 20 images to Instagram carousel post. And yeah, here is actually a new update that Instagram has rolled out, and I'm going to show you how to get this done. So first thing, go ahead and tap that plus sign there, and then we're going to go ahead and choose post. After doing so, you can just go ahead and tap this one right here in order for you to be able to multi-select. So this time, go ahead and select 20 images that you have from your phone. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do this one real quick. All right, there you go. As you can see, it says there that the limit is 20 now. So we can just go ahead and tap the next button right here. And there you go. So here are the images that we have. We can just go ahead and tap the next button right here and basically upload this one. So just go ahead and try to do here all of the necessary things that you want to do. For example, adding captions, etc. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and share this one right now. Turn on, and basically we're just going to wait for this one to be done. All right, seems like we are done. We can just go ahead and click our profile, and if we are going to click that one that we have just posted, you can see that now we have managed to post 20 images here as carousel. And yep, that is basically how you are going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.